Today we will see how to check a journal is indexed in a Scopus or not. It is very important before sending a paper to a journal, we have to ensure that that particular journal is indexed in a Scopus. If it is indexed in Scopus, then only our paper have a high chance of getting indexed. Otherwise, our work will go unnoticed. So first we will go to the URL and type scopus.com. So once you type this URL, we will be getting to the page Scopus. Here you have two options. One is a author search, another one is the sources. The author search is used for checking a particular author and the author's paper which are all indexed in the Scopus. For example, now we are checking the particular author, the author first name, author last name, and where the particular author is working. If you give this detail and search that particular author, how many papers published, and it is indexed in the Scopus. So for example, here 16 paper is indexed in the Scopus. Now if you want more detail, you can click this author name. You can able to find how many papers published and what is the citation received by the particular author and H index. And below you can see a list of papers which are all indexed in the Scopus. The second option is sources. Once you click the sources, you can able to see a list of journals which are indexed in a Scopus. For example, here you can able to see there are 49,382 journals which are currently indexed in the Scopus. If you want to check any particular journal which is indexed in the Scopus or not, then go to the particular journal, either by journal name or by ISSN number you can check. For example, now we are selecting a journal called Applied Soft Computing. So here you can see there are four options. Which subject area we are setting the journal, we can select, or the title of the journal. If you know, by the title you can able to check, or the publisher of a particular journal. If you know, using that publisher you can check, or using the ISSN number of a journal we can able to check. Now we have selected the journal title and type here journal name. So Applied Soft Computing is the journal name. Then click find sources. Once you selected the option, it will show the particular journal details. Whether the particular journal is indexed in the Scopus or not, we can able to see. See here result. Whatever we typed here, we are getting the result, and this particular journal is indexed in the Scopus in current year or not, we can able to see. Just click the journal, you can able to see here Applied Computational Intelligence and Soft Computing. This is the journal we selected, and this particular journal is active since 2016 to till date, that is 2026. So this particular paper journal is publishing the papers in the area, subject area, engineering, in that computational mechanics, engineering, civil and structural engineering, computer science, computer networks and communication, computer science applications. So when we are writing any paper related to this subject, we can send our papers to the particular journal, and once our paper is accepted, we can able to get indexed. So once we publish a paper in this particular journal, we have high chance of getting indexed. So before we make a final decision, we can able to see these matrices. This particular journal during the year 2021 to 24 have published 166 paper. This 166 paper have received 1470 citations. So if you see in the year 2025, 218 papers have published. Out of this, they have received 1966 papers are get citation. So this paper publishes more than one subject area. So in the computational mechanics, its rank is 8 out of 91. In the engineering, civil and structural engineering, 45th rank out of 407 journals. Computer networks and communications, it stands 67th place out of 507 papers. If you see the computer science applications, it stands in 155th place out of 947 journals. Computer science in that artificial intelligence, it stands in 93rd place out of 450 journals. Based on these matrices, author can decide whether we can send our paper to this journal. Our paper will get a recognition or not. That decision they can able to take and they can able to publish. Suppose we are taking one more journal. Now instead of going with the journal name, now we are going with the ISSN number, scientific reports. So click the sources. Once a page comes, you can select ISSN, because now we are going to check using a ISSN number. So type the ISSN number of a particular journal, then you can click find the sources. Now we got the information, scientific reports. Click this scientific report, then we can able to get the more in detail. So this scientific report journal is active in Scopus from the year 2011 till 2026. It is still currently active in the Scopus index, Scopus database. The publisher of this particular journal is Springer Nature. So it is a multidisciplinary journal. So authors can publish in a various domains. During the year 2021 to 2024, this particular journal have published 98,257 papers. These papers have received 6,58,772 citations. During the year 2025, they have published 1,19,540 papers. Out of this, they received 7,58,054 citations. So that is sounds very good. So the same way you can able to check what is the CITE score, and this particular journal stands 22nd place out of 200. So in the current years and in the past years, how many papers the particular journal have published? During the year 2026 up to May, this particular journal have published 14,068 papers. During the year 2025, they have published 48,895 papers. During the year 2024, they have published 32,186 papers. So this is one of the quality journal. So we can able to take the decision and we can able to send the paper, and our work will get highly recognized. Suppose if you want to check any other journal, we can able to select the ISSN or the journal name. So third one we are going to check. Go to the sources, select the ISSN number, then enter the ISSN number, click find sources. Now you can able to get the particular journal detail. So scalable computing. Now select the details of the particular journal. Now you can able to see this particular journal, scalable computing, is active from the year 2005 till 2022. At the end of 2022, this particular journal was discontinued from the Scopus. So if anyone, without checking this detail, if they send a paper to the journal, they may publish, but that particular paper will never get indexed in the Scopus. So before sending any paper to any journal, we need to ensure that particular paper have active index in Scopus or not. See this rank of a particular journal. During the year 2021 to 24, they have published only 575. That 575 papers have received only 598 citations. That quite a normal, not a great one. So if you see that rank 201 out of 239. So based on these matrices, an author can decide whether we can send a paper to this journal or we can send it to some other journal. So those decisions we need to take. For those decisions, we can use this website Scopus. Thank you. We will see in another video. with one more useful concept. Thank you.